So this is about overview of application. Okay, so we'll see the logo importance. What is the logo? Where we can see our company logo on application, and the navigations. The importance of navigations, where we can navigate to our required module. Okay, required activities, and search icon you can find. So for the setups, home button. What is home button? So like setting and actions, springboard, infolets. So infolets, there are two options. Okay. What are the work areas we have? Okay. Offerings, functional areas. We'll see this first, then we'll come to how we can create our user and the functionalities. So coming to this application, this is the application. So if you go for real time, real time application also will be looking same. So after completion of this session, I will show the real time user how they will use the application. So real time application also will be looking same. So this is vision instance where I'm saying we are seeing. So here you can see vision. This is a logo. So this is a logo. If you are working with ABC Limited Company, ABC Limited Company will have one logo. That logo can be created here, then can be added here. Okay, so this is search button. If you want to search something setup or people, then you can search from directly here. So in other applications, in a few ERP application, there is no option like this. So that is why here we call this is user friendly. Okay, so this is home button. Wherever you are in a middle of application, like middle of activities, then you can just click on home button. Then it will be redirect to this page. So this is a home page. Okay, so the username you can see here. This is the username. If you are created a username from your name, then you can able to see your name here. Okay, so I will log out this application, this name, and I will re-log in with my name. Then you can able to see. Okay, so this is home button. This is a favorite button. You can add. So if you want to add some favorite activities, you can add it. So the very frequent activities, whatever you are going to do in real time, like so then end users can able to make them as a favorite instead of going to, navigate to every time. They can go for favorites and they can work on easily. Okay, this is listed favorite list. You can if you are doing frequent activities, then you can select them. Okay, this is the flag watch list, means what are the activities we have to do. Okay, we have to do what are the pending, list of activities about to do. Those we can flag out here. This is a bell notification. If something is assigned to you, if something notification you get, then you can bell icon number you can see, and from here also you can do an act on assigned activity. Okay, like approval activities, and if something is assigned to you, then you can able to see the notification level. And this is you can see this setting and actions. This is setting and actions. You can log out, and from here you can log out from the application. Okay, if you want to log out, you can click on the logout button. It will be log out. Okay, so if you want to log in, then you can provide the username and password, and you can log in. So this is a URL based application. Nothing other setups would be required. So I will provide some login credentials like a username and password. Then you can log in with it. So simply, if your mission is suitable for email, login for emails, Gmails, and YouTube and social medias. So the same configuration can be work for this URL, like this application. Okay, so here you can see different options, like this is a personalization options, and this is admin level options. So this user having different activity, different roles, so then he can able to see multiple options. So if you want to see the about application, go here. about this application. This is the patch 25B latest patch. Okay, so this is the version, the current version. Okay, so generally Oracle Fusion application will release patches. So every quarter, 25 means year 2025, B means second quarter. Okay, first quarter always see application will be consider this Oracle Fusion application will consider US related quarters. That means US calendar. So in US they have 4 quarters: January to March, April to June, like that, July to October, uh, October to December, like that. They will maintain 4 quarters. Okay, so those 4 quarters will be considered here. Now we are in the second quarter, April to June. So this is 25B. Okay, every patch they will release some new features that will be added to your application for the client end. So it's not our, so nothing. See, always remember, you are as a functional consultant, you are not going to do any functional activities for the client in the application level. You are going to support when they got the issues, when they got queries. Okay, so when they got stuck in you know their daily activities, there we can involve and we can support them to progress their works. So people are working, people, I mean, when I started the functionality, when I started the setups and functionalities, students always think like, okay, so this much activities we have to do in real time. No. So as your functional consultant, you have to support and you have to learn everything. In application level, you have to learn everything. Then only you can advise them. Okay. So here, this is a navigation button. Okay. So this is a navigation button. 3 lines. You can see navigator. You can click on here. The same thing, whatever you can see in the home level. So here, whatever you can see home level, these are the applications. These are the different module applications. You can see receivables, supply chain, and also, this financials related procurement. Okay, so everything will be there. General ledger also will be there. So payables and general ledger, cash management, intercompany, expenses, fixed assets, every model you can able to see. So see, HCM people also will access the same application. SCM people also access the same application. Project team also access the same application. See, there are multiple people will work, multiple practice people will work on the same application. Okay, now you can see this is the navigator. There you can see the same option, whatever you see in home level, you can also see here. So you just click on here, then it will be showcase. Okay, right. So this is a navigator button. So from here also you can go for, let's say we are looking for fixed assets, you can go fixed assets. If you are looking for general ledger, so you can general accounting. This is general accounting, nothing but general ledger. Payable, nothing but AP. Okay, receivable, nothing but AR. Okay, so module level you can go from directly here, or else you can search from here as well. Payable and general accounting. Okay, these are the quick actions, shortcuts. So if you want to create some journal entry or something, just select general accounting, you can go here directly. So generally manage journals will be, you can able to go to manage journals entries from here, journals level. And create journal also you can create in a journals. Okay, approvals or import journals, create accounting activities will be done in other period, close everything. Okay, so these are the shortcuts. You can, instead of going into the apps level, you can directly access from here. So here down you can see infolets. Okay, so these are the infolets. If you want to see user defined infolets, so this is high level information where you can see your daily business activities. Okay, so if you are looking for, I mean, what are the business transactions are running in a real time, so automatically this report will be updated. So these reports will be updated. What is our current sources, different info tiles infolets you can create. Let's go to general accounting infolets. So it should be shown here. Okay, so no data found as of now, but yeah, you can see total how many assets we have, what is the equity and what is the liabilities and the income flow statements. Okay, what is the debt, turnover, everything. So we can create our own infolets. We can create our own infolets based on the customer client requirement. Okay, so this is called infolets. And if you can go to payable module, so invoices. So this is called, this is high level, info tiles. We can say these are the info tiles. There is a difference between infolets and info tiles. Okay, this is the tile we can find it in an application level, module level. So infolets, whereas showing the high level graph for the each module, but info tile is it just showing the details of the particular activities. Like let's say this is recent invoice, all invoices you can able to see here. If you go for the scanned invoices, you can select the scanned, you can see the scanned invoices. Okay, each module, each option level you can see. This is just like a shortcut. Anyways, if you want to find the general invoices, you can go here. So you can see create invoices, manage invoices, whatever you can see here in the options, there all things you can see here. So this is the task panel. This is the task panel where you can do your activities. You can use this task panel, you can do this. So while you are entering in AP model, I will explain each and every component, each and every point. Okay, so this is called task panel. Okay, now go to home page. So now let's see the importance of roles. Implementation consultant role. We have discussed 3 important roles. Okay, next minute. So we discussed about 3 important roles, saying that application implementation consultant or security, IT security manager. Okay, let's see this application. Where is the application? So here you can see in setting and action level, you can see setup and maintenance. So this is the setup and maintenance option. So this setup and maintenance option will be available only when you have a application implementation consultant. Okay, this will allow you to create a setups. This will allow you to create a setup, manage implementation project. There you can configure your own project. Okay, since it is a vision application, you can see there are multiple users created their own projects. Okay, so system allow you to implement a new project or a new enterprise structure using this application implementation consultant role. So if you are able to see this setup and maintenance, means this setup and maintenance functional setup manager access will be provided due to this application implementation consultant. And IT security manager. So what is the advantage of IT security manager? Go here, go to navigator. You can see tools. Tools level, you can able to see security console. Security console level, I can create users. I can create users. I can create roles as well. I can create roles or modified roles. Existing roles also you can modify using this IT security admin role. And also you can create users as well. I can create a users as well. Using this, I can create a users as well. So analysis, you can see certifications, single sign-on I can create for the employee. Okay, like that we can do many admin activities using this IT security manager. So IT security manager, what will be enabled here? Security console. Security console will be enabled using this IT security manager. So in real time, no employee, no end user will get this IT security manager or application implementation consultant. Okay, so end user will not get these two anyways, like they will not get these two roles. So that's where we are here to help out the end users. Okay, so these two roles will be assigned in real time to admin team only, not our consultants as well. So we will access until a test environment only. So whatever the issues they got in a real time, they will raise a ticket to us. The same issue will be replicated in a lower environment level. We will verify and fix that. Okay, the same I mean resolution will be documented and will share to IT team. So they will just follow the whatever the suggestions, whatever the solution we have done from the document, they will replicate in the production level. So that is what happened in the real time scenarios. Okay. So no end users will get this IT security manager and application implementation consultant. So if they got this active access, they can change they can create, they can delete any setup. So no organizations will want this setup and maintenance will be provided to the end users, because employees are very temporary, not a permanent employees for the organization. And the IT security manager, they can create their own user, they can edit the user, they can add the rules, they can remove the rules. So if they got IT security manager, so that's why, so end users, no end users will get this, the important two roles. So coming to employee role. So if you see here employee role level, so what is the significance of employee role? So if you see here, go to first me. If you see here, me level, your personal information, your pay information, your journey and employment details and your benefits, whatever document level, I mean organization level, whatever expenses report, everything you can accessible using this employee role. Employee role, we have some privileges that can be allows to you to your personal information or organization level employment details. So this is so as I told that this is abstract information. Even though you are associate, even though you are a CEO, everyone can able to see their required information here. So this is a basic information for every employee. Okay, so let me show you the difference between normal user difference between these two, application with the application implementation security and without that. Let me go here and create one user. Okay, let me go and create one user here. Security console, users, add user. I can provide a test user, give you a password. So here I'm just giving one role, that is employee role. Okay, let's see. Employee abstract role, add role membership, done. So I just given one role, save it. Just log out from this user and log in with the created user. Go and sign in here. So now you can see the difference. So you can see here test user level. I don't see any setup and maintenance option here because we don't provide the application implementation role for the user, test user. So very limited access you can see here. And even go to navigator level, you can see only few. At tools level, I don't see security console. So here he cannot do anything. So in real time, as a new employee is joined, then user will be created like this. Basic information will be provided. So employee level, they have some privileges, basic privileges for the procurement. If you want to remove that, you can remove it also. Okay. So very basic information you can see here. So me level you can see. So in the previous, like one user you log in, right? The information, whatever he can see, the same information he can test user also see because he has the employee role, abstract role. Okay. Now we'll see. Now let me log out from here. This user is a test user. Okay. Right. This is about application overview. Okay.